Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth, no-nonsense product reviews. Today, we're bringing you what we believe is the best cable management kit for any home office setup, the NOROCME 192 PCS Cable Management Kit. If you're tired of the cable chaos under your desk or behind your entertainment unit, this kit is about to be your new best friend. Let's get straight into what makes this kit such a powerhouse of organization. When you open the box, you're greeted by a comprehensive set of 192 cable management components, carefully selected to tackle any wiring problem you've got at home or in your office. The variety and thoughtfulness behind each piece are what set this kit apart from the usual low-effort bundles that just throw in a few clips and call it a day. At the core of this kit, you get 4 high-quality wire organizer sleeves. These are made from durable, flexible neoprene material that not only protects your cables but also keeps them bundled together cleanly. You can cut them to your preferred length, wrap them around multiple wires, and zip them up for a tidy, professional finish. Whether it's behind your computer, under your TV, or wrapped around your standing desk cables, these sleeves give your setup a sleek, minimalist look. Next, we have 11 reusable cable holders in different shapes and sizes, all equipped with strong adhesive backing. These are perfect for routing USB cables, mouse cords, and headphone wires along the edge of your desk or wall. The adhesive sticks well to most surfaces, and you can finally say goodbye to dangling or tangled cables. You also get 35 cord clips. These come in various styles: round, square, and multi-slot. Some are designed to hold just a single wire, while others can hold multiple at once. They're ideal for holding charging cables near your nightstand or keeping Ethernet cables from hanging loosely behind your router. They're subtle, low profile, and most importantly, they get the job done. Now let's talk about the 10 cable organizer straps, plus an extra 2 rolls for good measure. These are Velcro-based, reusable straps that let you bundle cables without the hassle of zip ties. They're soft, flexible, and great for frequently accessed cords like laptop chargers and extension cords. Wrap, unroll, and reuse them as often as you need. And speaking of zip ties, the kit includes 100 fastening cable ties. Yes, 100. These are the go-to solution for permanent or semi-permanent bundling. Use them under your desk, behind your TV, or inside your PC case. They're especially handy for managing cables along your wall or ceiling if you're looking to do some more advanced routing. All of this comes in a compact, easy-to-store package. Every piece is black or clear in color, so it blends easily with any room decor. There's no clashing plastic or obnoxious branding, just a clean, utility-focused design. Installation is simple, and there's no need for fancy tools or expertise. The kit is designed to empower anyone, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a remote worker, or just someone tired of looking at a spaghetti mess of wires. It's the ultimate solution to declutter your cables, protect your devices, and give your home office or entertainment setup that clean, professional look. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest, detailed breakdowns of the gear that actually makes your setup better. See you in the next video.